Ever been in a situation where someone is panicking and you need to say "don't freak out" in Russian? No worries, I've got you covered. First we have "не паникуй." This translates to "don't panic." Perfect for reassuring someone in a stressful moment. Imagine you're hiking with a friend and they suddenly notice a snake nearby. Their eyes widen, breathing gets faster, and they start flailing their arms. You keep your cool and say "не паникуй," urging them to stay calm and avoid unnecessary movements that could startle the snake. Next, we have "спокойно." Simple way to say "stay calm." Great for keeping things under control in any situation. Imagine you are at a coffee shop with a friend before their big job interview. They keep checking their notes, tapping their foot nervously, and muttering worst-case scenarios. You say "спокойно," encouraging them to take a deep breath and enter the interview with confidence. Next, we have "без паники." This means no panic, a handy phrase to remind someone to chill out. Imagine you and a few friends are on a road trip when suddenly someone realizes they left their phone back at the last stop. You shake your head with a grin and say "без паники," reminding them that stressing won't fix the situation and you can figure it out together. And if you need something even more casual, you can say "не психуй," meaning don't freak out. This one is very informal. Imagine you're playing video games with a friend and they lose an intense round against an opponent. Suddenly, they groan, throw their hands up, and start ranting about bad luck and unfair rules. Laughing, you pat them on the back and say "не психуй," telling them to shake it off and enjoy the game. And last but not least, we have "не нервничай." This means don't be nervous. Perfect for calming someone who is feeling anxious or stressed. Imagine your friend is about to give a big presentation in front of an audience. They've been preparing for weeks, but now standing backstage, they're overwhelmed with anxiety. You gently place a hand on their shoulder and say "не нервничай." Now you know how to keep things chill in Russian. Next time someone is panicking, throw one of these phrases their way and help them relax. See you next time.